Instagram has launched amazing features that help you earn money on app like subscriptions and bonuses. But the sad truth is not many countries have access to it. Would you wait for these features to come to your account or would you try some other methods to earn money on Instagram? What's up, my social tribe? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie, and every week I bring you videos to elevate your social media professional career and help you create your financial freedom through social success. So I guessed it right. You're here because you don't wish to wait anymore and turn to other strategies that will help you earn or make more money on Instagram. Well, what if I tell you that I started earning money through Instagram in 2016? Yes, I'm not even lying or bluffing. It's true. I started my professional journey as a social media freelancer in 2008. Instagram wasn't even launched back then. But because of other platforms like Facebook, I was able to establish myself as a marketing specialist and started working with local businesses, helping them to promote their businesses on Facebook. So, if you are a 90s kid watching this video, you would know how times were. No one would believe the term social media marketing back then. But yeah, today, if I talk about earning through social media, it's quite common and we have moved on to newer things like the creator economy, where businesses and investors are investing on YouTubers and content creators. Well, coming back to our topic, in this video, I'm going to share some of the easiest way to earn money from Instagram without subscriptions, without bonuses, because I believe it's better to start something rather than waiting for opportunities. So the first way to earn money from Instagram is to create a niche based account. Now, what is a niche based account? Instagram accounts that are built to share a certain niche which is very narrow subject wise. You might have seen accounts that share content limited to a certain subjects like babies, cats, funny videos, motivational quotes, etc. Such accounts are filled with shareable and savable content. They are also evergreen content, something that people quickly like to refer to or forward to a friend because it's relatable and evokes certain emotion. Let me give you some examples. Accounts with travel niche, for example. Now, in 2022, even travel is a wide subject. People have gone deeper with this subject and have created accounts like girls travel or travel with kids, purposeful travel, etc. These Instagram accounts pick a certain theme and run the account on stories related to those themes. Now, let's understand why such accounts do better, or why do Instagram algorithm tend to favor such accounts. It is because for a simple reason that it's easy to segregate such content into one basket. Whoever is searching or interested to consume a specific type of content, they will be attracted towards such accounts and will follow them with no other second thoughts and will also keep on engaging with them on a regular basis because the subject interests them, and this is basically creating a community around one particular topic. And hence, niche based accounts are the easiest to grow on Instagram or, for that matter, on any other social media platforms. Now, how you can make money with niche based accounts. Remember, I said easy to grow and easy to make money, but I didn't say that it is going to be quick. So please do not blame me if this takes time and effort. Earning money from this method will surely take time, especially if you're doing it organically. But you can definitely adopt strong strategy that can minimize your time and help you grow in a limited time. Plus, now you have content formats like Reels and Shorts, which is the number one format these days for getting more views and followers. So, resort to such strategy and techniques for faster growth. In this process of growing a niche based account, you can also make money through other ways, and that's what I am here to share. A niche based account is without a doubt a strong community. You can pitch sponsored posts and ads to businesses and personal brands who are in a look out for same community. Let me share this with an example. Taking the same example of travel niche, let's say you have a women's travel account. This account is also a community of women travelers around the world. You can pitch businesses who sell travel purses for women or travel accessories, women backpacker hostels, safety products for women, etc. Ask these brands out for paid collaborations like running interviews or live sessions, sponsored posts or reels, giveaways, etc. This way, you can even earn with a small following which can be under 10k. All you need to do is present a creative pitch to the brands and be mindful of what's being sold in the account. Always keep your community's interest first. Be respectful of what you are building, and trust me, your community will become your capital. So start with creating a niche based account, and as a side hustle, this can become a good money earning opportunity for you because it is going to drive you some extra cash in the near future. Now, the second way to earn money from Instagram is to monetize your link in bio. Now, this is something I have been doing for quite few months. I have made a minimum 10k per month consistently by monetizing my links in the Instagram bio. This isn't a new technique, nor there's an automated tool that will get you monetized. It is something which we should have been doing from the day one of starting an Instagram account for our businesses. I learned this the hard way, but you don't have to because I am here to share all my learnings and secrets of money making through social media. And so let me just quickly do a little shameless pitch here to ask you to subscribe right now if you haven't, because this is the most honest channel where I give you no BS strategies to grow and earn money plus become a pro SMM. Okay, so how to monetize your link in bio on Instagram? Firstly, I want you to understand the reason why you should start on Instagram. For many, the reasons might be to document your journeys, and for majority of you, it might be to grow your businesses and also to make money through Instagram. The reason we should always think of our goals of having a presence on the app is because we need to focus more on creating purposeful content rather than just be in a race of creating content. If you are creating content with a goal in mind, you will always connect your content pieces to that goal. My goal here on social media is to help social media managers and brands make profitable use of social media. Hence, all my services in the link in bio will lead you to buy something from me, which is obviously paid after you have loved and consumed my free content. I sell services and not products, and so all my link in bio services present you an opportunity to be closer to your goal with my paid offerings. You can buy my digital products or book paid consulting calls, work with my agency, or hire me for workshops. Most of the links in my link in bio website are paid services. The best thing I did was to add digital products to my website. This has brought me money while sleeping, literally while sleeping. I wake up to notifications of sales every day. It's a low priced product, but it's okay. It still is something that adds value in people's life and also brings me passive income. So I advise you to create content that is linked to your goal. Drive your audience to your paid service or products, and make sure your content has call to actions to drive you the desired results. This is again the easiest and a free way to make money on Instagram, and also tried and tested way too. For creating link in bio websites, you can use services like Studio by GoDaddy, which personally I use, Linktree or Stan for creating attractive and purpose-fueled websites to list all your paid links. Again, as usual, it is not a sponsored video and none of the services I mentioned have paid me to mention their names. I share what I use, hoping it will help you. And trust me, when you start putting goal-driven content attached with monetized links, The results are powerful, humongous, and magical. And that's a wrap. These were my powerful couple of strategies to make money on Instagram without having access to their features like subscriptions and bonuses. Let me know in the comments which one are you going to try first. Also, before moving on to other videos, hit on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon because you'd never want to miss a video from a channel which is your go-to free resource for becoming a pro SMM. Until next time, keep creating good vibes globally. Bye-bye.